before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Today we're going to talk about something that we've been talking about for a little while, but I'm going to put a little spin on it right now because I just got my tax refund and I haven't received a refund in about 10 years or so. And when I looked at the refund, I got to thinking about everything I had to do to process this through the IRS website. Well, not necessarily through the IRS website, but to get this refund, everything I had to put in, filing my taxes. So as I pondered on this whole thing, I got to thinking, how many people who falsely applied for the PPP loan and the EIDL grants had to file their taxes this year. Now, whether you filed your taxes before you applied for the PPP and or the grant, or you didn't file yet and you had to file after you applied for the PPP. Well, let me say that differently because I kind of messed that up. If you filed before you got that PPP and or grant, or you filed after you got the PPP and or grant, or you didn't file yet, so you're going to file next year. Now, first off, let me address the EIDL targeted advance. If you filed already or you didn't file, they're going to run that. And if you don't have anything on file, they're actually going to run your 4506T. They're going to look for your tax records. If there are no tax records there, chances are you're not going to get anything. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. You guys, comment below and let me know that if you got the targeted advance and you didn't file your taxes yet, they gave it to you anyway. But as far as I know, they ran that 4506T. And when they ran that 4506T, they got the information they needed to see if I filed taxes for my business. So they looked at that. The PPP didn't go through all of that for the most part. The vast majority of people that did the PPP, they kind of went through. They checked your Schedule C. They probably checked your tax return if you sent it. Most people just sent in a Schedule C. I sent in a 1040 and a Schedule C. A lot of people didn't. So they were still able to get the PPP. So this is more so focused on the PPP because if you do the EIDL targeted advance, they kind of do a little bit more of a thorough check on you. But if you got that PPP loan and you didn't file any taxes, you just made up a Schedule C, then that's where the problem gonna come in at, because remember, you have to file your taxes and the IRS get all of that information. Now let me show you something. You're gonna get your refund status, right? Where's my refund? Okay, what you will need: your social security number or your ITIN, your filing status, and your exact refund amount. Okay, so now when you enter this information, Look at this. You got to put in your social security number, how you filed, and your refund amount. The problem with this is when you enter this refund amount, it's not going to match the information you use to get your refund as the information you use to get that PPP. Is going to be vastly different. Now, the IRS, they allow you a little wiggle room in there. They allow you so much wiggle room because, you know, things happen. You know, you might have guesstimated or whatever the reason will be. They give you a little wiggle room. But we're talking about you guys who falsely got $20,000, $15,000. On your Schedule C, your information is going to be 30, 40, 50. Even people who haven't even filed at all, who don't have a business, not working, your information is going to be $100,000 difference, somewhere around there. Because in order to get $20,000, you had to say you made somewhere around $100,000. So now, when you go in here, now I'm just showing you, this is an illustration of how you can get caught up in that mix, doing that stuff you shouldn't be doing. You have to use your social security number. I know a lot of you who got the PPP falsely, fraudulently. You did not use an EIN. You use your own social security number. So now you have to put your social security number in here, your filing status, and the amount you got using the information on your tax return. You probably didn't even have a Schedule C. You just did this saying, I know I can get $15,000 to $20,000. So now you have no information on file for the IRS to look at. You said you made anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000, so you can get, $15,000, $16,000, $17,000 to $20,000 in PPP funds. But you're only getting maybe $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 tax return. Where's the $100,000 at? Where's the $50,000 at? Where's this money that you say you made? Where's the business? Because you probably don't even have a Schedule C file. Now, especially you guys who let someone do it for you, you don't even know what they put. You don't know what they entered in the system. You have no idea, no clue what they entered into the system. And now you got to file your taxes. You just know you got a deposit of somewhere around $11,000 to $20,000, but you have no clue, no idea of what they put in that system for you to get that money. You were just happy you got some money. Now, for you who did it yourselves, you guys just, I don't know what you were thinking, because you know, or did you know, that you were going to have to file this information eventually. I'm just trying to understand the thought process behind, you know what? Let me go ahead and get this young $20,000 and let me do what I'm going to do with it. And now I have it forgiven. Or did you even know it was it's supposed to be forgiven? Did you even know that? So, listen, I know many of you didn't do it with ill intent, but it's done. And the IRS doesn't care whether it was done with ill intent or not. They just know it was done. It was a bunch of people who fraudulently got this money, filed bogus paperwork, and that's all they know. And now you coming back, you coming on the back end of it, filing taxes, saying that you only made $30,000, $40,000, or you're not filing taxes at all because you didn't even have a business, or you didn't have income at all. And now you're getting this $20,000 saying you made $100,000. You're getting 11, 12 saying you made $50,000. See what I'm saying? See how they can look at that and say, well, you did it. You know what I mean? So I don't understand. I'm sorry for the guys who just needed some money real quick, but there are other ways to go about it. You can learn how to make money online. Now you can click the link in the description and sign up for DoorDash. You can click the link in the description and sign up for Be Free to figure out how to get this money online and how to buy properties. How about, fixing your credit so you can qualify for funding so you can get properties and start a business. And you can do that by clicking the credit monitoring link in the description. But you could do this stuff without fraudulently doing anything. It's just, I don't understand it. But I just wanted to bring that to you, how you can get caught up with filing your taxes, how that can be the end to your high road. Well, I won't even say the high road. That can be the end to your shopping spree if you didn't blow your money already. I know of a person. Now, I'm not going to say whether or not if she got it fraudulently. I don't know. But I know she blew that $20,000 and she ain't spending what she was supposed to spend it on. I know that. So, at the worst case scenario for her is if she did have a business and she made that kind of money, she just won't get it forgiven. But I mean, for the rest of you people who I'm pretty sure got it fraudulently, I don't know what you're gonna do. I mean, pay it back. Pay the loan back with interest. So I don't know. I don't know what to say. As far as the targeted advance, you probably didn't get the advance because they ran that 4506C. So they probably just said, nah, dude, you ain't getting no money because you didn't file no taxes. You don't have anything on file for this business. So I'm gonna do another video eventually about it's opening up to everybody the targeted advance, so everybody can apply. All you have to do is apply for the loan, and we'll get into that other video. But thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to It's Oasis. Check out the links in the description. Credit monitoring to focus on your credit and your credit score and see what's on your reports. Click the credit monitoring link. Want to learn how I got $5,500 in properties? Click the Be Free link to learn about entrepreneurship. And if you want cash back, like I do, click the cash back link in the description. And until the next video, let's get this money. Not the fraudulent way though, the legitimate way.